Today, I'm going to discuss a method with which method mostly I train my students for PTE reading, and they have been very successful in PTE reading. Getting an 80 score is very easy for them, and I would say that more than 70 very easily, right? So let's discuss how usually my students they do and I do with them. So very first, you just take any question, right, whatsoever is present for you. Like you choose a question. For example, here's the question. Now you need to read it with the flow from the beginning to the end. That would be a good idea. So if you are interested in studying but have other, now you need to see that what word is coming before the blank and what is coming after, but there is a comma. So the front word matters the most. If you are interested in studying, but you have other dash or online and distance courses offer an alternative flexible dash of study. So if you are interested in studying, but have others now, other mode, no, resolutions, no, commitment, yes. It seems to me I have heard already that other commitments, why? Yes, that's the collocation here. Then I would say that courses offer an alternative flexible dash of study. What is flexible dash of study? Flexible dash of study, mode of study. Yes, agree. That comes the first one I tried to match. There are also dash for online discussion. There are chances, but chances is not given, so it's singular chance. There are chance. No, there is chance should be there, so it's not matching. So there are opportunities. Yes, opportunities matching. So I'll pick up that for online discussion and collaborative projects with tutors and other students. Some programs include residential dash taught on campus, giving you so residential taught residential resolutions not possible. So type no, creation no. Yes, which are taught online, which are taught on campus. So modules. So what are taught? Modules are taught, giving you the dash to meet and work alongside, giving you dash to work dash, giving you the dash to meet and work alongside. Chance. So here is singular required, so giving you chance. Best collocation fitting here. So work alongside your tutors and fellow students face to face. Our graduate school provides comprehensive support for distance and part-time researchers, many of whom study for up to 6 years or more, right? Now, you see that I got all correct. Now, next one. If you are interested in, okay, so by the 1820s, right? By the 1820s, Bentham had become a well-known dash. So what he had become a well-known, right? Let's look at the, options here. Well-known means very famous. So famous figure, right? The figure is the best collocation to come here. So famous figure, both in Britain and other parts of the world. His ideas were to influence and reforms of public administration made during the 19th century and this. So I will just skip some part because it will take a lot of time to read. So as per the directions in his will, he wrote a will. Bentham's body was dissected, means divided into parts by surgeon Thomas Southwood Smith, and his skeleton was dashed as the auto icon. So his skeleton was dashed, preserved, right? His skeleton was preserved, right? Research into Bentham's thought and life continues today at UCL Bentham project set up in the early 1960s with the aim dash producing. So aim of comes with that, or aim of producing. So aim of is fitting here. This edition is projected to run to some 80 volumes. Members of the public are invited to assist in the massive editorial task by helping to dash. So they are trying to translate. So that is helping to translate or transcribe Bentham's manuscripts. Manuscripts are handwritten items, right? So now you can see that I got all correct here. So that is figure, preserved, of, and transcribed. So why I picked up the correct answer? So well known, figure is a collocation here. So skeleton was preserved means saved. dash was saved, skeleton was saved, aim of producing. So aim follows a preposition of, and helping to transcribe. Manuscript is given here. That's why I could pick up this. So, even the first time, if a person is getting 50% wrong, you are going on the positive side. But a second time, if you're doing these readings, they should not get wrong. तो मेरा एक सजेशन है आपके लिए, अगर आप 50% भी इनको करेक्ट कर लेते हैं तो आप पॉजिटिव साइड जा रहे हैं. अगर आपका टारगेट 80 स्कोर करना है या 90 स्कोर करना है रीडिंग के अंदर, मोर देन 70, आई वुड से दैट 69 प्लस, तो आप इसको सेकंड टाइम जरूर करें. देन यू कैन गेट गुड स्कोर्स इन द सेकंड टाइम. बट सेकंड टाइम यू शुड नॉट गेट रॉन्ग. रिमेंबर दैट वंस एंड फॉर ऑल. जो भी रीडिंग आप करें उसको आप एक बार करें, दोबारा करने की जरूरत ना पड़े. अगर करें तो आपके सेकंड टाइम गलत नहीं होने चाहिए. In this way, the student gets all correct further. With a little bit practice, I would say that just doing some sets of 50, 60, or 70, the student will be able to get the good scores in reading. Thank you.